So just to demonstrate further that I really am a chair addict, I've just rescued this one today as well. This has actually, it might look a bit old and decrepit, but this has loads and loads of potential. Unfortunately, the leg is a bit broken, a bit cracked, and I think, yeah, it's missing the caster. You see that down there? No caster. But we can sort that. But actually, on closer inspection, I realise it's actually an ironback. So the frame on this, going down here, is actually iron. So very old chair, probably Victorian, and that will come up beautifully. Next to it is this random office chair that actually I have a bit of a reputation in my local area, and so I'm sort of like the chair rescuer, and so this one just appeared outside my house. So it does look very, very sorry for itself, but it's really comfortable, and so we'll strip all that off, give it some love, and transform it into a wonderful, wonderful piece. So again, I'll report back to you. I thought this is quite nice to just show you some of the pieces that come through, instead of me just showing you all the time the finished articles. So, until the next time from the Needle Rock Workshop, I must find out what Welsh is for until, so board tro nesaf yn y gweithdy Needle Rock. Hwyl am nawr. Okay, bye for now.